If you want to know what happens if you block someone on Instagram, this video is for you. I will share with you step by step what happens if you block someone on Instagram. Does it deleted all the messages that you made with the person or not? Stay with me to the end of this video. Now I'll go ahead and open my Instagram. So now I'll start by blocking someone. I'll tap on this message section at the top. After I tap on this message, I'll now go ahead and block this person. After I open the person conversation, tap on the person profile at the top. As you can see now, after you tap on the person name, tap on this three dot. Now tap on this block option. Tap on this block again. So now as you can see now I am blocking this person. So now tap on, as you can see now I block this person. So I'll tap on this back arrow. I'll go back to home and refresh my Instagram account. So as you can see, I'm refreshing my Instagram account. After I finish refreshing my Instagram account, I will tap on this message section again. So I'll now open the person like this. So as you can see now, I blocked the person, but still I have my conversation that I made with the person. The conversation are not deleted. Means that if you block someone on Instagram, the person cannot be able to contact you, cannot be able to see your post or your story or your highlights. But that person cannot even be able to search your Instagram account on his Instagram account because you block him. But all the conversation that you made with the person are existing on your Instagram account. That's it, guys, on how to know or how to know about blocking someone on Instagram. If you want to unblock the person, just tap on the person like this and tap on this unblock button. Now you block someone and unblock him on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.